pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize.
Busy oh.
I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know that I'd live for you, and that's hard to do, even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're falling like, who would you live for? Who would you die for?
Kakaayos ko lang eh. Ayan, babalutin ko.
I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
Customer mo na to, customer mo na to.
On my ride. I've been thinking too much. 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 Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much.
Hey, customer mo raw to, galing Riyadh.
I've been thinking too much.
Papadala ko dyan, ma'am.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Ito, tara mo lang.
Help me.
Ang daming trabaho dito, grabe. Walang New Year dito, tsaka Pasko. Nakakaasar. Kaya uwi na tayo. Yan, parati kong kaharap dito araw-araw, mga gown. Gown, tsaka mga jubon. Yan o. Dami kong trabaho dito. Bawal pumetics dito. Ngayon nga lang ako nakapag-live oh. Phil, can you say hi to Philippines?
Light.
Yes. Gawa namin, no? Tambak, tela. Kakabukas ko lang ng box galing Italy. Pare, bakit may papakasal dyan ah? Sa akin ka na mag-request ng gown. Ang gulo ng lamesa ko eh. Walang ayos-ayos eh. Ito, for deliver namin ngayon. Ang daming i-deliver. Libong ganitong dress bag, ang dami. Request ni Pia. Dami request ni Pia. Ayaw tumigil eh. Dumating na yung galing Riyadh. Ito, papadala ko ngayon. For customer. Nilagyan ko ng crystal kasi natanggal yung 4 na piraso eh. Kaya ito na lang nilagay ko yung kumuha ako ng crystal dito. Daming dito, ang daming diamonds and crystal. Mga diamante. Yung iba, pinagtatapon na nga eh. Sobrang dami eh. Ito na lang yung nilagay ko. Ito. Tinanggal ko sa sa lagayan niya. Pero at least okay na. Yan, araw-araw kong kaharap. Sobrang busy dito, pre. Halos hindi ka na makapag ano. Tingnan mo, sobrang busy oh. Mag-iisang oras na ako naka-live. Daming ginagawa dito araw-araw. Walang Pasko, walang New Year. Araw-araw na lang ganito. Happy New Year, pre. Kaso walang New Year dito eh. Puro trabaho. Yan lang parati kong kaharap yun, no? Model. Parang boyet, bumili pala ako ng sasakyan dito. Ito. Bilis nito. Ito ako sa'yo, ha? Bilis to, pre. Oo. P, ready na yung crown na. Paki-receive na lang mamaya. Ay, hindi. Ikaw ba magre-receive? Hindi pala ikaw, no? Tumatawag. Tumatawag. Hello, madam? Yes, madam. This one, madam, the crown, I just finished it. Yes, madam. The one that's going to Jordan, madam.